looking at this problem, we have to figure out where is a good starting point. I'll make this as easy as possible. And in this case, I think this location right here should be a good one. Mainly the reason why I chose this location is because I can go 5 this direction. I have the distance of how far to go up along that way is here. And I do have the angled method as well. Or I have the angle, so it makes it a real good candidate to use the polar method when I'm going across to get to this line. I have this distance coming back, and then I have the option to close it. This intersection is where it's going to be the intersection of my circle. So I think I should have enough information to complete this. Okay, so in AutoCAD, let's start with the line. Click a start point. Make sure your ortho is checked. Go this direction, a distance of 5. Now I have to determine how to go this direction and what angle. Well, the drawing tells me that that's an angle from 60. And remember that these angles start at 0, facing all the way to the right, and 180 is to the left. So 180 minus 60 should give us 120. So we're going to type in 8 angle 120. Once we do that, we'll come back to the right a distance of 5. And then use the close function in AutoCAD. Let's go ahead and create our circle, center radius. Let's place it at this intersection. And this has a radius of 2. So if you don't get an intersection come up here, sometime you will get a midpoint. They happen to be the same, so you should be okay.